If you need to share Hostinger access with a teammate, developer, or client, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and secure way. This is really useful if you want someone else to help manage your website, hosting, or other services without handing over your main login details. That means better control, better security, and a much easier workflow for your business or project. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and hosting guides. Now let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the account sharing option there. Click on account sharing to open the sharing settings. This is where Hostinger lets you securely grant access to specific people without giving away your full account password. After that, click Give Access. In some cases, you may need to click it again to confirm or continue into the next step. Hostinger may prompt you through a short setup flow, so don't worry if it takes a second to load the next page. Once you're in the access sharing screen, you'll need to choose who you want to give access to. This is where you enter the person's details so Hostinger knows exactly which account to share with. Next, choose which services you would like to share. This is an important step because you may not want to give someone access to everything in your account. For example, you might only want them to manage hosting or websites, while keeping billing or other sensitive services private. Take a moment here and make sure the permissions match exactly what that person needs to do. Then you'll assign a role. Hostinger gives you role options like admin or collaborator, depending on the level of access you want to provide. If you want someone to have broader control, admin may be the right choice. If you only want them to help with limited tasks, Collaborator is usually the safer option. Always think carefully about the level of access before moving forward, especially if you're sharing with someone outside your team. Once everything looks correct, click Give Access to finish the process. Hostinger will then send or apply the shared access based on your selected settings. After that, the person you added will be able to log in and manage only the services you allowed them to use. That's why this feature is so helpful for agencies, freelancers, developers, and anyone who needs to work together on a Hostinger account. And that's it. You've now learned how to share Hostinger access using the built-in account sharing feature inside hPanel. It's fast, it's secure, and it helps you stay in control while still collaborating effectively. If this guide helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.